Today I'm going to show you how to get red spider eggs. First off, you need spirit spider pouch, egg spawn scroll, and summoning potion. You need level 10 summoning. So you need to summon your spirit spider. Somewhere on your summoning icon should be someplace on your screen. For me it's down here. Go to select left click option. Have this on special move. Don't worry about these other two, but have this on special move and click confirm. Go back to your summoning icon and just click it. That's all you gotta do. Just spam it for a little bit. It's best to just keep doing this opposed to, clicking it once and picking up your eggs and clicking it once. Like, you'll want to do this for a little bit. And sometimes down here in your chat it'll say your special move is running out. All you need to do is take a drink of your summoning pot and then start doing it more. The summoning pot isn't necessary, but you will make more money per hour if you go ahead and use it. So it's worth the cost. And then all you do is go pick up all your spider eggs. And in that little bit of time, let me price check it, made 31K that quick. All you do, take it, put in your bank. I suggest doing this in Edgeville, by the way. And then just go back and spawn some more. Oops. He's still stuck in the bank, so I'm going to call follower so he's by me again. And then just start clicking this. And that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching.